Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Marissa Roots Undone. Thank you for clicking on this video, and today's video is a February Treasure Tress unboxing video, and I do have a treat, so if you stay tuned until the end of the video, I'm pretty sure you will be interested. However, I am just going to get on and show you guys what we received in this month's Treasure Tress box. So here is the February Treasure Tress box, and as you can see it is full of Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil goodies. Inside the box there is a little insert that says roses are red, violets are blue, here's a Valentine's gift from you to you. And on the reverse side there is a list of all the products included and how to use them if you're not sure. So first we have the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo with apple cider vinegar and peppermint. We next have the Strengthen and Restore treatment mask, which seems to be very creamy. We next have the Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner, which I cannot wait to try as I've heard amazing things about this leave-in conditioner and how moisturising it is. And last but not least, we have the Strengthen and Restore styling lotion, which I'm also interested to see how that works. So I absolutely love the products in this month's Treasure Tress box. I have tried the shampoo before, however I haven't tried any of the other products yet from the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, so I cannot wait to indulge as I've heard amazing things. However, being the month of February and Valentine's Day is coming up, we want to make sure that you are giving yourself some self-love, and so Treasure Tress have sent me 2 boxes this month, which means I have a box for myself and a box for all of you guys. So I am giving away a February Treasure Tress box, and to be within a chance of winning one, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to me on YouTube right now, make sure that you're following both me and Treasure Tress on Instagram, and comment on my Instagram post letting me know why you think self-love is important. And the winner will be announced on Valentine's Day, which is in about 2 days time, so make sure that you're fast and get involved. Thank you for watching and good luck.